Good morning, and welcome to this guided meditation designed to help you start your day with calm and clarity. Life can feel overwhelming at times, but dedicating a few moments each morning to center yourself can make a world of difference. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in. Hold it for a moment and slowly exhale. Allow your body and mind to relax as we journey into a space of peace and tranquility. Grounding your body and mind, let's begin by grounding ourselves in the present moment. Feel the surface beneath you, supporting your body. Pay attention to the sensations in your body, how your feet connect to the ground, how your hands rest comfortably by your side. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a count of 3. And exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this 3 times. Now repeat silently or aloud, I am safe in this moment. I release all tension from my body. I am present, calm, and grounded. Feel the weight of stress begin to lift as you focus on your breath and these affirmations. Visualizing calmness, close your eyes and imagine a warm, golden light surrounding you. This light represents peace, calm, and safety. It begins to envelop your body, starting at the crown of your head, moving down through your face, shoulders, chest, and eventually reaching your feet. As the light flows through you, imagine it dissolving any tension, stress, or anxiety. With each exhale, let go of anything weighing you down. Repeat these affirmations, I am surrounded by peace and tranquility. I let go of stress and embrace calm. My breath anchors me to the present moment. Feel the warmth of the golden light, knowing it is restoring balance and calm within you. Focusing on your breath is a powerful tool for managing anxiety and stress. Let's deepen your connection to it. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, feeling your belly expand. Hold it gently for a moment. And exhale completely through your mouth. Count to yourself, inhale for 4. Hold for 4. Exhale for 6. As you breathe, silently repeat, I breathe in peace, I exhale worry. With each breath, I grow calmer and more centered. Focus entirely on your breath, allowing it to guide you into a state of deep relaxation. Letting go of worries, imagine placing your worries into a balloon. Visualize each stress or anxious thought filling the balloon. When you are ready, imagine releasing it into the sky, watching it drift further and further away until it disappears. Repeat these affirmations, I release what I cannot control. My mind is clear, and my heart is light. I am free from the weight of worry. Feel the freedom that comes with letting go, as your mind becomes lighter and more peaceful. Embracing positive energy, now, let's fill this space with positive energy. Imagine a gentle breeze, bringing uplifting, joyful energy to you. Let this energy fill your heart, spreading throughout your body. Repeat these affirmations, I welcome calmness and positivity into my day. I am strong, resilient, and at peace. Today is a fresh start, filled with possibilities. Visualize yourself carrying this positive energy into your day, feeling confident and grounded. Setting intentions for the day. Let's set a peaceful and positive tone for the day ahead. Think of 1 or 2 intentions you'd like to carry with you. Perhaps it's to approach challenges with calm, to be kind to yourself, or to stay present throughout the day. Repeat these affirmations. I am ready to embrace the day with peace and clarity. I choose to respond to challenges with calm and patience. I will carry this sense of peace with me wherever I go. Feel your intentions settling within you, becoming your guiding principles for the day ahead. As we conclude, take one final deep breath in and slowly exhale. Gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Thank yourself for taking this time to nurture your well-being. Carry this calm, positive energy with you into the rest of your day. You are strong, capable, and deserving of peace.